Hello everyone, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy, a leading engineering institute for GATE TSC and PSU preparations. This video is all about a new job opportunity for you all released by Odisha Public Service Commission. They invite the application forms to the post of lecturer under Odisha Technical Education and Training Cadre Group B post. This recruitment is happening for total 224 vacancies. Candidates who are from above mentioned disciplines are eligible to apply. That is electrical engineering, electronics engineering, civil engineering, mining, automobiles, mechanical engineering, computer science. Now let's talk about essential educational qualification requirements for this recruitment. Candidate need to have degree in engineering from a well-recognized university or institute on regular basis. Now let's talk about age limit requirements. Candidate age will be calculated as on 1st August 2022. Candidate upper age limit should not be more than 38 years. Age relaxations to reserve category will be provided as per the norm. Now let's have a look at selection process of this recruitment. Candidate selection is based on two parameters, that is written examination followed by personal interview. Weightage given to written exam is 500 marks and to personal interview is 50 marks. Now let's talk about examination pattern of written exam. In written exam, candidate evaluation will be done out of three subjects, that is general English, general knowledge and concerned discipline knowledge. There will be two examinations. In examination 1, candidate evaluation will be done for English language and general knowledge test. In examination 1, candidate need to attempt 100 marks questions. Type of questions will be multiple choice. Total time duration to attempt the exam will be 2 hours. There is the negative marking of 25% marks for each wrong attempt answer. Now let's talk about examination 2, that is the candidate evaluation for concerned discipline knowledge. In this there will be two papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. For paper 1, candidate evaluation will be done out of 200 marks and for paper 2 also candidate evaluation will be done out of 200 marks. Total time duration to attempt the exam will be 3 hours. In this also the examination type is multiple choice type. There is also the negative marking of 25% marks for each wrong attempt answer. Now let's talk about mode of application, and the mode of application for this recruitment is online. Candidate need to visit official website and fill an online application form. Application window is open from 26th April 2023 till 26th May 2023. That's all about important highlights given in this recruitment notification. If you want to view detailed advertisement, the link is given in the description box. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and for regular update on latest job notifications and other informative videos like this, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep watching, keep smiling.